friends! So yesterday we were in Cabanatuan. So nag-pass by tayo sa Robinsons, Cabanatuan, where there's a book sale. Ayan. Siyempre, this is our, ano ba yun? Pleasure, hobby is to collect our books collection. Book collection. Collection ng collection. So, we try to find the best and affordable books naman. Number 1 is The Flirtation Experiment. Do your daily interaction with your husband look more like a meeting between co-workers? Ayan. So, putting magic, mystery, and spark into your everyday marriage. Yan. So, mga ano siya. Daily prompts, no, mga on what to do on our marriage. Then it's create new beginnings. It's an artistic journey to deepen your connection with God and experience healing and hope. So mga ano siya. There's a Bible verse, syempre. Yan. May mga artwork siya. Siyempre, merong you'll have something to founder in. House of Emotions. So, may mga reading siya. Looking ahead, looking inside, presentations of flowers. So, may mga sharing our experiences, warming up, mga questions, so journal, and art, reflect and remember. So, ano ba yung mga topic niya? Let's see. Talks about stress painting, inside-outside mask, collaborative hand act, house of emotions, your story, my profile, doodles, my roots, still life flowers, walking through the valley, and that's a wrap. Ayan. Last but not the least, let's get together. So these are flexible, fun-filled activity ideas for the whole church family. So aside sa ministry, so I think sa reading, so we can also use it sa mga training exercises during training. So kasi pagka just lecture, siyempre maboboard yung participant mo. So, you have to come up with activity. So, ayan ang ating haul from book sale in Robinsons, Cabanatuan. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.